Say hi to Serene. Serene was born in 1988. From then to now, Serene has become the #1 provider of technologies for the manufacture of diamonds and gemstones. Throughout the years, we have developed a deep knowledge of the production line. Serene knows what technologies are needed and where they work best to make the production line more efficient. We are experts at getting more value out of the rough stones. When it comes to producing gems, you'll find a world of experts. We understand just how much expertise is needed to plan the best possible gemstone. We're not in the business of replacing your expertise. We're in the business of making the expert's job easier. So, what are the key factors in the manufacturing process? First, the decision about table position, which determines the color of the final stone. Second, the decision about the shape and dimensions. With Allegro, the table position is still your decision to make, and the color concentrations will remain untouched. We come in straight after to provide the best options for shape and dimensions. Allegro will help you to create the optimal gemstone yield. But don't take our word for it. We split a gemstone parcel in two and send half the stones to a traditional polishing process and half to Allegro processing. The two groups of stones were then polished by the same team in the same factory, according to the same guidelines. When we compared the yield of the two groups of stones, the Allegro group had an additional yield in the double digits. Let's explore how Serene Allegro optimizes the planning process. First, an accurate modeling of the rough stone. Then, this model is used to plan a large number of options. Maximum yield and calibrated size, various shapes, and various proportions. Allegro then grinds the best value shape. The value of each option is based on your guidelines. And voila! Higher yields, higher quality, higher value. How will Allegro fit in with your manufacturing process? It's easy, with Serene service centers located in main manufacturing hubs around the world. Whether small or large, all manufacturers can benefit from Serene's Allegro service. Pricing is based on stone weight or number of pieces for small stones. So you can benefit without investing in equipment, training, or maintenance. When you send us your stones, we work with the guidelines you provide. Your guidelines instruct us about shapes, proportions, and measurements, and they help the Allegro system to understand which shape will achieve the best value for you. First, you'll need to remove all unwanted impurities. Second, polish the table. The flow in the service center is really quite simple. The stones are glued, loaded onto the machine, and measured. Then, we allocate all the options you provided in the guidelines, and the machine automatically decides the best shape. The system then grinds the chosen shape. The goods are returned to you, ready to become high-quality, high-yield gemstones. For special stones, we have an expert terminal where your expert can view all the alternatives and select the best value shape. When it comes to critical planning decisions, Serene Allegro gives you ultimate yield, quality, and control of your production line.